Hey everybody! Today we're going to talk about 10 ways to outsource your personal life. Between a full-time job and various side hustles, I'm constantly looking for ways to find more time for the fun stuff. The following slides will share ways to outsource daily tasks so you can spend more time doing what you love with the people you love. Everyone has to eat, but grocery shopping can take up a lot more time than we realize. Think about traffic to the store, finding parking, wandering through aisles, and waiting in a checkout line. Luckily, many major supermarkets are now offering online grocery shopping and delivery. This service allows you to search item by item off your grocery list, and once your virtual basket is full, simply enter your credit card information and your delivery address, and your groceries will arrive shortly. In the final stages of a project, time is of the essence. While you may want nutritious meals to fuel your project, the amount of time spent shopping and chopping can be overwhelming. Meal prep services are available that ship pre-portioned ingredients that you simply have to combine, cook, and serve. It's like having a grocery delivery service and a prep chef all in one, and the ingredients are conveniently packed in boxes and delivered to your door. If you regularly use online grocery shopping or meal prep services, in crunch time you may be too busy to even throw together a sandwich. Prepared meal services are available that deliver healthy prepared meals to your door on whatever frequency you desire. These services usually offer options for all dietary considerations, so if your brain is fueled by a vegan diet, they've got you covered. Most are pre-portioned and can be frozen for added convenience. If you dread the thought of spending valuable time perusing racks in a clothing shop, then an online shopping subscription box is a great way to have someone else pick out your clothes. With these services, you sign up and provide your measurements and style preferences, and then outfits are curated for you and delivered to your door. You can try the clothes on in the comfort of your home, and if you do not like an item, you can return or exchange it, often free of charge. Maids have been popular with the wealthy for a long time. Now, house cleaning services are accessible to all, with multiple apps available to hire house cleaners for a one-time deep clean or recurring appointments. Many services allow you to rate the provider as well, so you can browse reviews to ensure the cleaner is a good fit for your house. Doing laundry can take between 2 to 4 hours per week, depending on the size of your household. Laundry is easily outsourced to free up time in your week. They'll wash, fold, and press your clothes, so all you have to do is put them into drawers or hang in a closet. You can download an app to find a service provider near you, or you can check Craigslist or Kijiji. Some days, walking the dog can be a relaxing way to clear your mind, while other days it can be a daunting task at the end of a long day. Using a site or an app, you can hire someone to walk your dog for you. You can hire someone for daily walks, or just for an occasional walk when you're overwhelmed or overtired. Like dog walking, yard work and gardening can be a stress-relieving activity at some times and a burden at others. After a long week, weeding a garden or mowing a lawn may be the last thing you want to do with your time. Apart from traditional lawn care services, there are apps available to have your yard work and gardening done for you. Whether it is reservations for lunch tomorrow, an oil change, or flights for your next vacation, scheduling can consume a lot of time. Outsourcing scheduling tasks to someone who is experienced can save you time and money, especially if they know how to look for the best deals. Many virtual assistants can offer this service. After you finally outsource all the mundane tasks in your life, you may want to enjoy a glass of wine or a cold beer. Instead of having to go to a liquor store and wander the aisles trying to decide what you want to drink, you can subscribe to a monthly wine or beer subscription. These subscriptions send beverages right to your door each month, allowing you more time at home. Plus, many of the sites ask your preferences, so your subscription is curated to your taste buds. So there you have it, 10 ways to outsource your personal life. Even just selecting a few of these activities will free up time for you to do what you enjoy most. Thanks for watching!